Welcome to Bajaj Processpack Limited. We were proud to participate in the World Mithai and Namkeen Expo 2025. It was a great experience meeting industry leaders, manufacturers and visitors from across the country. At our stall, we showcased our advanced food processing solutions, and we were glad to see strong interest from visitors who wanted to know how our machines can help in modern production. At our stall, we showcased our advanced food processing solutions, and we were glad to see strong interest from visitors who wanted to know how our machines can help in modern production. The response was encouraging, and many visitors appreciated the engineering, performance, and practicality behind our machines. Many shared their challenges and requirements with us, and we offered the right solutions through our machines. It was inspiring to meet people who carry the same passion for food manufacturing and modernization. This expo gave us a platform to connect with clients, partners, and new businesses. It helped us showcase what we do best and how we support companies in scaling their production with smart technology. Every interaction, every conversation, and every smile made our participation truly special. At our stall, we showcased our key machines: crate washer, pressure cooker, planetary mixing kettle, automatic consumer, vegetable washer, and counter pressure retort, all designed to support modern production needs. With 37 plus years of experience, we continue to deliver trusted solutions for food processing, packaging, beverages, Mithai, and dairy. We look forward to serving many more businesses across India and beyond. A big thank you to our entire team for their hard work and dedication in making this event successful.